Hello everyone, BrickShips1912 here, and welcome to the third part of my tutorial series on how to build Lego ships. This one's about doing the superstructure and all the other details. So, without any more stalling, let's get into the video. So, today I'm using Queen Mary. Other than Titanic, I'm doing work to her. She doesn't look as pretty. There's been so many videos about Titanic, but there's just so many changes happening. So I'm waiting until I've actually finalized the changes, then I'll show you all. So for the superstructure, I normally say whatever is above the black part of the hull. So anything up here is superstructure. What I call details is like funnels, lifeboat davits, people, compasses, masts. That could be just built as part of the bottom. Also mini details like deck cranes. Titanic's got them. She only had these, Queen Mary. What else is there to show? So, cargo hatches on open decks and all that. Lifeboats. Like, this is if it's going to behave. There we go. That's the design for the Queen Mary's lifeboat. Pretty simple, and there's 24 of them. So far I've only got, I don't want to count. So basically superstructure is just the upper decks of the ship after the black, or yellow if you're talking a Cunard liner, the yellow stripe that goes down the hull. So what else is there? Also like pieces on the masts. So there's one more part to come out of this series. That's just going to be what? Just keep on work. No, I'm not gonna spoil it. You have to wait. So, all mini details go on after normally. Like, it takes Titanic almost 2 years to complete, and I don't think I'm even going to complete it. Queen Mary, not even near complete. There's so much more detail I can put into her, as she is very, very big. So big. So, that's all for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm doing 2 videos a week instead of just 1, just so there's more, and I like doing it, so why not? So, see you all in the next video. Goodbye.